This morning, a snowplow driver went above and beyond to help a new Des Moines mom. KCCI's Tommy Clark spoke with him. Tommy, he plowed her street early because she was in labor.
Yes, she called the city for help because her neighborhood road hadn't been plowed yet and she couldn't get to the hospital. It happened several weeks ago during the big blizzard. Michael Stroud has been with the city for 18 years. He operates plows in the winter and says he was clearing a nearby route when he was called to help the woman out, going off his route to make a pass down her neighborhood street. Then another truck showed up outside her home to make a pass and salt the street for her. Stroud says he was just doing his job, but it made him feel good to help someone out in such a major life moment.
You just head that way and do your job. And there was a lot of snow that day, so it was kind of hectic getting through, and I called in backup because there was quite a bit of snow.
Now look at this. The new mom is doing well, but the phone operator and plow driver who helped the woman out just received a certificate of recognition of excellent service by the city. A job well done. Alex?
Oh, it is. That means the world. You know it to that new mom and her family. We can't love this story enough. Thank you for finding it, Tommy.